Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself, Shikta Pete, French teacher. This video is for class 6. The video is for the workbook question answers. So let's begin. Okay, now we will be doing the exercise of the workbook. Le ciel bleu, le parc vert. Conjuguer le verb aller. Now as we have learnt the verb aller, that is a irregular verb meaning to go. So here are these all are the conjugation according to the subject pronoun, that is je vais, then tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont and elles vont, meaning I go, you go, he goes, she goes, we are going, you are going, they are going, or they are going. So here I'll like to tell you it is like the present continuous tense and the present tense in French, that is in English. Okay, they don't have the present continuous tense, that is one and the same for the present tense only. So even if you say that I go or I am going, it's one and the same in French. Clear? So it is je vais is I go or I am going, same for the others. Now identifier les couleurs. Over here it is rouge, rose, vert. Now why it is vert? Because according to the subject you have to put on the colors. The colors varies according to the subject. So since feuille is feminine, it will be vert. Okay, jaune is same for the masculine or the feminine. To tell you all, it is called as the mango is feminine, so it is jaune. Gris, une corbeille means the what you say, a rock or a pebble. Got it? It's sorry. Dites la couleur, that is tell the color. Le ciel est bleu, les feuilles sont vertes. Now as I told you that the color changes according to the subject. So here being it is green, the leaves are green, so it has to be in the feminine plural form. Le chat est jaune. Now jaune, it doesn't vary because it's same for masculine as well as the feminine singular. La chemise est rose. La chemise, it's in the feminine singular form, but the rose is same for masculine and feminine. La voiture est noire. Now here you have to know the voiture is feminine, so you have to put an extra R, E, sorry, not R, it has to be Noire. Now relier les colons, that is the match the following. L'automne, les feuilles tombent, as I told you, in the month of this, the season of autumn, the leaves they fall down and there is a breeze all around. L'hiver, il neige, it snows. L'été, le soleil brille, means in the summer the sun shines. Le printemps, il y a beaucoup de fleurs, there are lot of flowers. Choisissez la bonne réponse. You have to choose the correct answer. Le chat est blanc, blanc and blanche. See now, there are two options given. Now blanc is the masculine singular and blanche is the feminine singular. So since le is given, now chat also there is a feminine. You cannot say that the chat is only a masculine form. It is also in the feminine. Na? He cat and she cat. So when it is la chat with CHATTE, it will be blanche. But since it is le chat, it is blanc here. J'ai une robe verte. Now since robe is feminine, the color is also going to be VERTE. Is it clear? Next, les chaises sont grises. Okay, so here students, there is a les saucisses, le ciel bleu, le parc vert. Now these are the exercises of the workbook. Excuse me. Question number 1, conjuguer le verb aller. Now we have done this in the textbook. This is a irregular verb because it doesn't follow the pattern as the regular ER verb. So you all have to memorize this. Aller is to go. Now je vais is I go or I am going. Tu vas, you go or you are going. Il va, he goes or he is going. Elle va, she goes or she is going. Nous allons, we are going or we go. Vous allez is you are going or you go. You all go. Basically it's in the plural form, right? So ils vont, it is they are going in masculine form or they go, and elles form in the plural feminine form, that is they are going or they go. Now to tell you all, I must have told you all earlier also, in English we are using the present continuous tense, and the present tense is different. I eat and I am eating, so there is a difference in this. But in French there is no difference in the present continuous and the present tense. So it is like, as I told, je vais means I am going or I go. So do not get like confused in this. Identifier les couleurs. Now these are all the colors: rouge, rose, vert, jaune, gris. Okay, now this is what here, according to the, as I told you, the colors also vary. When it is feminine it will be verte. Clear? Now dit la couleur, the ciel est bleu. As you know, it is masculine, the sky is blue, so we are just putting it as bleu. Les feuilles sont vertes. Now the leaves are green here. Okay, so it is, since feminine, feuilles are feminine and plural, so it will be vertes. Le chat est jaune. Now le chat, don't get confused, like it is only a he cat, there is also a she cat as well. Clear? So when it is le chat, it is masculine cat. When it is la chat, chatte, okay, so it is a feminine cat. So it is, now here it's le chat est jaune. Now there is no change in the jaune part, even though it is masculine or feminine. La chemise est rose, the shirt is pink. La voiture est noire. Now you have to know, when it is feminine, it is, the article shown is here is la, so it is la voiture est noire. Relier les colonnes, match the following. L'automne, les feuilles tombent means in the autumn, the, as I told you, that the leaves they fall and there is a breezy, the wind out there. So l'automne, les feuilles tombent. L'hiver, il neige. In the winters it snows. L'été, le soleil brille means the sun shines. And le printemps, il y a beaucoup de fleurs. In the spring season there are a lot of flowers. Choisissez la bonne réponse. Choose the correct answer. Le chat est blanc, blanc, blanche. Now as I told, when it is masculine, you will have to put le blanc. But if the question would have been here as la chatte, chatte, then the answer would have been blanche. Got it? J'ai une robe verte, verte. Why? Because robe is feminine here. Les chaises sont grises, gris and gris. Now why it is gris? Because chaise, une chaise, la chaise, it is feminine. Now it is in plural, so it will be gris. Le garçon porte chapeau noir. Now we are talking about the chapeau, a chapeau. So your option will be noir, because it's not a feminine. Aujourd'hui le ciel est bleu, the sky is blue. As it shows that it is masculine, le ciel, so it is bleu. Now quelle saison, identify the seasons. Now it's very like clear, the sun is shining, so le soleil brille, so it is the summer. Second is l'hiver, the winters. Le printemps, okay, now il y a des fleurs, beaucoup de fleurs, so there is the le temps est beau, the climate is very beautiful. L'automne, in this the leaves fall and it's windy. Remplissez les blancs avec les verbes donnés et conjuguez-les. Now you have to replace it and conjugate the verb. Now this is again, there are different verbs here. Louis va à l'école means Louis go to the school. According to Louis, now Louis is a masculine singular, so you have to know what you are going to put. Aller, you have to conjugate it according to the male singular. Je mange le gâteau au chocolat means I eat the cake of chocolate. Mes amis et moi, now mes amis et moi means you are also there, so it will be as nous form, we form. So nous allons au restaurant, we go to the restaurant ce soir means this evening. Tu vas au cinéma, you go to the cinema, it's a question mark. Caroline déteste le café au lait means Caroline, she hates the cafe made of lait. Lait means milk. Vous aimez les épinards? Épinard means the spinach. Okay, palak. So it's a question. Do you like the spinach? Now, quelle saison aimez-vous? Which seasons do you like? Now, I like the winters parce qu'il fait froid et le temps est agréable. Means what? The climate is beautiful. Clear? So we can just manage out the things in the month of what we say, when it is cold, na, it's hot, you don't like to feel go out and all. So it's the best season in India, the winters. Now colorier cette image, you have to color this image, that is according to the given part, that is bleu, rouge, jaune, rose, orange and blanc. Blanc is white, then bleu is blue, rouge is red, jaune is yellow, rose is pink, orange is orange and noir, this is the black part. Okay students, so we have done with the portion for this month. Chalo, bye, au revoir.